Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a la clase de español. Yo soy Profe Tyner y hoy vamos a hablar de los días de la semana. Hi everyone, I'm Señorita Tyner and this is the Spanish classroom. Today we are going to talk about the days of the week. You might be relieved to find out that in the Spanish-speaking countries, they have the same days of the week as in the English-speaking countries. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and of course, Sunday. In the Spanish-speaking world, they just have different names. Let's learn them. I will say them once, and you can repeat after me. Then I will slow down and show you how they're spelled as well. To begin, we'll start with Monday, and we'll go all the way to Sunday. Ready? Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Let's hear them again. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. All right, so we're going to start with Monday. And in Spanish, the word for Monday is lunes. Repeat after me. Lunes. Very good. And lunes is spelled L-U-N-E-S. Lunes. The word in Spanish for Tuesday is martes. Now you try it. Martes. Muy bien. Martes is spelled M-A-R-T-E-S. And I will show you here. Martes. Now, the next word is Wednesday. And in Spanish, Wednesday is called miércoles. I'll say that one again because it can be a little tricky. Miércoles. Miércoles. All right, it's your turn. Miércoles. Muy bien. Miércoles is spelled M-I-E-R-C-O-L-E-S. Miércoles. And if you notice, we put all of our sound on the E, right? Miércoles. And that's why there's this little line on top of the E. That's called an accent, and that tells you where to put your stress in Spanish. After Wednesday comes Thursday, and this one can be a little tricky in Spanish too. The word for Thursday in Spanish is jueves. So pretend you're making just the littlest bit of wind and go jueves. Nice job. Jueves is spelled J-U-E-V-S. Jueves. All right, on to the best days of the week. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The way to say Friday in Spanish is viernes. I'm going to say it one more time. Viernes. All right, it's your turn. Muy bien. Viernes is spelled V-I-E-R-N-E-S. Viernes. Now, I don't know about you, but the weekend is my favorite time of the week. And we get 2 days for our weekends, Saturday and Sunday. The way to say Saturday in Spanish starts with the same 2 letters as Saturday, S and A. The name for Saturday in Spanish is sábado. 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 You try. Excellent. Sábado is spelled S, A with an accent, B-A-D-O. Sábado. And the last day of the week is Sunday. Yay! Sunday in Spanish is domingo. Can you say that? Domingo. Muy bien. Domingo is spelled D-O-M-I-N-G-O. Domingo. So let's say them all together one more time. We're going to start with Monday and end with Sunday. Are you ready? Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Estos son los días de la semana. These are the days, los días of the week, de la semana. I hope you learned a lot, and I'll see you next time. Adios!